Hello everybody. Today we will learn am is are and by doing exercise, and today we will practice our learning. Today we will do focus learning more because am is are now you know it very nicely. So today we will do a small exercise that you can do easily but focus on the reading. So come with me. Let's start today's topic. So let's start. See here at the top I have written classwork and date as usual, and this is 28/9/2020. Here is the heading because we are practicing this one, am, is, are. And now see this side I have made an index. Index means what? That is, you are getting here the portions wherever which verb will come. I mean, where am will come, where are will come. Here is the short description. So see, with I, am, am. With I, am. With you, you, are. With he, he, is. With she, she, is. With it, is. With we, are. With you, are. With they, are. So this is the small index. It will be helpful for you when you are going to do these worksheets, these exercises. So today, see, I have not written here any of the answers because here answers you will write. I am just show you the sentence and I am just helping you in reading the sentence. You will read the sentence like me. However, I am helping you to read it. You will practice reading and then you will put here am, is, are. In this ratio, you will improve your reading portion and as well as you will get to know regarding the am, is, are, and you will practice it. Okay. So let's start. See, we dash friends, friends. friends. Friends মানে বন্ধু. তাহলে we dash friends. Now you have to write here am, is or are. Next, my family, fa, me, ly, family, dash big, big. Here you have to write am, is or are. Whatever will come, you will write here. Next, number 3, Sam, Sam, dash my, bro, brother. Brother means bhai. তাহলে Sam dash my brother. When name will come, what will come here? Am, is or are. You have to find it and you have to write it. I know you can do it. Next, she dash a teacher, teacher, teacher. With she, what will come? Okay, so with she, here will come, yes, is. So you will write it. Now number 5, my, sis, ter, my sister, dash happy, happy, P. Whenever is my sister, one person. One person means what will come here? You know it better. Okay, so you will write it. Next, number 6. He, he. Dash, Tall, tall. Tall mane lomba. So he dash tall. With he, what will come here? You know it and write it. Next, you dash sad, sad. Sad mane dukhi. With you, what will come here? You will write it. Next, THEY, day. Day mane tara. Dash, cooking. COOKING, cooking. COOKING, king. Cooking মানে রান্না করছে। তাহলে with they, see the index? Yes, it will come here and you will write it here. Number 9. SU, Sue. SAN, San. Suzanne. Suzanne dash my, my mother. MOTHER, mother. Mother means we all know ma, and my means amar. Tale Suzanne, this is a name and one person's name. So with one person, what will come here? You have to write it. Next, I dash PLAY, play. ING, playing. Football. FOOTBALL. So with I, who is the best friend of I? Yes, you know it and you will write it. So this is your today's worksheet exercise. But remember one thing. This is your practice purpose. So no need to do it on your classwork copy. No need to do hurry up for completing this one. Take your time. Do your reading part very slowly, gradually, and then you will write your answer. Because answers are very easy for you, but you have to improve your reading. I know all of you can read very nicely, but you have to improve your speed. Like how much speedily you can read. See here, we dash friends. My family dash big. Sam dash my brother. See how fast I am in reading? Like that you have to be. So to improve your reading, you have to practice more and more sentences. Right? Yes, and I know you will practice it. So please practice. No need to do it on your classwork copy. Only practice purpose. I am doing it in my classwork copy because I have to show you. Otherwise, how you will know? So you will practice. Okay, my dear kids? You have understood and enjoyed today's topic and practice it. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. And every day, please do some exercise and every day learn to wake up early. Okay, children? Take care.